Now, when we're talking about the electrolysis of aqueous dissolved compounds, okay, how do we know which ion reacts first at the cathodes, okay? Because unlike the molten one, in aqueous ones, when we're talking about aqueous refers to water. Water is H2O. H2O is H hydrogen OH hydroxide, or the hydroxyl group, okay? So how do we know now? Because we have four ions present. 2 from water, H and OH, and 2 from the ionic compound, the metal and the non-metal. Which one of the two non-metals will react in the positive bar, and which one of the two metals will react in the negative bar? We know the positive one is the anode, the negative one is the cathode, okay? Now it's very simple, okay? Whether it's a dilute solution or a concentrated solution, if it's aqueous dilute or aqueous concentrated, in both cases, when we're talking about the metals, alright, the least active metal will react first. The more active metal will stay, okay? But the least active metal is less active, it just wants to escape, okay? So this will react first, okay? So we're going to look at the reactivity series of metals. Which one is less active between the two given? It will react first. React where? It's the metal, positive. It will react in the negative cathode, okay? Cathode is a reduction, so it will gain electrons and react inside. That's it. What about the anions? Now for anions, we're going to use something called the anion speed table, which I have explained in a previous video when we are talking about this topic in chemistry. So for the anion speed table, if it is in a dilute solution or concentrated solution, in a concentrated solution, the halogens will react first, then hydroxide, then polyatomic ions. But in a dilute solution, just switch the first two. Hydroxide will react first, then halogens, then polyatomic ions. Clear? So what do we need to know again? We have four ions. Which one of these two will discharge first in the anode and in the cathode? From the metals, the least active metal will react first. What about the anions? In the anions, if it's in a concentrated solution, always halogens react first, then hydroxyl or hydroxide, then polyatomic ions. If it's in a dilute solution, then always hydroxide will react first, then halogens, then polyatomic ions.